How to fix iPhone camera portrait mode not working. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone portrait camera not working on videos or photos. If you're also facing this kind of issue on your iPhone, in this video I will show you how you can solve that issue. So let's start video without wasting any time. And firstly, make sure you don't have any hardware issue in your iPhone. If you have any hardware issue in your iPhone, just connect the nearest Apple store, they will fix your issue. So if you don't have any hardware issue and your iPhone portrait camera suddenly stop working, then in this video I will show you how to fix. Firstly, move to the first solution. The first solution is open iPhone settings. Okay, in settings section you need to scroll down and tap on general. After tapping the general, you can see a person screen here are showing software update. Okay, tap on that. Make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS and it will 100% fix. Okay, if that method is not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is also open iPhone setting again. In setting section you need to tap on general again. After that you need to scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, now you can see a person screen here are showing two options, reset, and the second option is erase all content and setting. You just tap on reset. Okay, after that you can see a person screen here are showing reset all setting. Just tap the reset all setting and finish your iPhone all reset all setting. Okay, after that you will 100% fix your issue. Okay, if that method is also not working and you are facing still portrait camera not working issue on your iPhone, then move to the last one. The last one is forced to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. After forced to restart your iPhone will 100% fix all kind of bugs. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone portrait camera not working. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.